Please sing with us.
All hail the power of Jesus' name, let angels prostrate fall. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all. Ye chosen seed of Israel's race, ye ransomed from the fall. Hail him who saves you by his grace, and crown him Lord. Hail him who saves you by his grace, and crown him Lord of all. Let every kindred, every tribe on this terrestrial ball, on this terrestrial ball, to him all majesty ascribe, and crown him, 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 and crown him Lord of all.
And won't you join us again for the last verse?
Oh, that great yonder sacred throng we at his feet may fall, we'll join the everlasting song and crown him Lord of all. We'll join the everlasting song and crown him Lord, crown him Lord of all. Come and lift your song to the King of Kings, to the Lord